Architectural Builder's Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Okay, what is the question?
Is the mop plate the same as a kick plate?
Definitely not. So a mop plate, a stretcher plate, a kick plate, an armor plate, they're all pieces of aluminum, stainless, brass, bronze, plastic, laminate, whatever they are. And they're the same thickness, although they're available in different thicknesses. However, what's really important is the distinction between mop and kick. So a kick plate is usually between 6 inch or taller, up to, I forget the definition, 12 inch, I believe, up to 12 inch. So from 6 to 12 is a kick plate, but a kick plate is always, always, always installed on the push side of the door when the door is in the closed position.
Okay.
Now hold on. A mop plate is 4 inch in height, so it's different in height, so we classify it differently. But the important distinction is that a mop plate is always, always, always mounted on the pull side of the door when the door's in the closed position. The important distinction is if you tell someone, I want you to install a mop plate, the mop plate can be 6 inch tall. It can be whatever they want, really, but it's generally about 4 inch, as is the stretcher plate. But in 100% of the time, the mop plate is installed on the pull side. If they took that 4 inch plate and put it on the push side, you don't have a mop plate. You have a kick plate, even though they're the same size. So the mop versus kick informs the installer what side of the door you're putting it on. In a hallway in a hospital, those doors swing out. Where do you want the mop plate? Where do you want the head of the mop the door being protected from the head of the mop when those doors always swing into the hall? On the pull side. That's why they call them mop plates.
Okay. The reason I ask is because I'm trying to, in between other stuff, like when I have downtown, I'm doing those SKUs for IBS, and we have them listed as mop plates, them all as kick plates.
Yeah, that's just going to be a cheap way of them just using terminology fast and loose. So if you took a kick plate that's 4 by 34 and you installed it on the pull side of the door, it's proper to now call it a mop plate. It's just it's an exceptionally important distinction, but at their level, they don't care what side of the door you put it on, so they're just going to play fast and loose with part numbers, with descriptions.
So how do you want me to use their SKU?
Yep. You use it for kicks and mops.
Okay, I was just making sure I wasn't doing the wrong thing, because I was like, these are not how we're listing them, so I just want to make sure I wasn't missing something. Okay, thank you.
Awesome, bye.
All right, bye.
Architectural Builder's Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.